Alright, so now we're going to sew in our LED here. We're going to start in the same way we have before. I'm just going to do a back stitch up to it. Okay, and once I come up that other point, this is when I'm going to take my LED and I'm going to make double sure I know which side is which. This is my negative side, ground, and I want ground to be over here. So I am going to make sure that it's oriented that way, and actually I should go back down and then come back up. Okay, just to make sure that line's complete. Alright. Ground, power. I want power, so I'm going to take the LED and I'm going to thread my needle through the LED, that hole that we created. And you know what, I'm going to thread it through one more time even. That'll help me get some leverage to keep it down on the fabric. Okay, and then I'm going to take my needle, I'm going to insert it right next to where I came up, and then I'm going to pull very slowly. This is prime knot opportunity. And hold that LED in place. Now I'm going to come up through that hole once more, and then go back down to secure it. I usually like to go around about 3 times when I'm sewing a component in for a frame of reference. Okay, and there we go. Now we'll come back and sew the other side, but first I'll tape down that piece of thread, re-knot. Alright, and now we get to sew down the other side. So I'll hold the LED with my left thumb, and then I'm going to come up where my trace is. I'm going to go back down right on the other side. There's one. Come back up through it. 2. I think I may have gotten caught. Nope. And 3. Okay, then I'll keep going to my resistor. Feel free to fast forward if you don't want to watch me sew. Oops. Alright, that's why you should go slowly. We'll come up right beside it. That last stitch, pull, and now we're ready for our resistor. I just grabbed a piece of fabric by accident. Okay. So we're going to do the exact same thing. It doesn't matter which way we put our resistor, so we don't need to worry about the sides. I'm going to go through my resistor 2 times, and then I'm going to hold it down and pull. And I'm going to insert my needle right next to that resistor and pull down. Now I'm going to come up through that hole that we've created. Come back down. And we've got our first side of the resistor secure. I'll go ahead and stop there. I'll just do this one off camera and then we'll wait and check out the results when we start soldering.